welcome to a brand new video. If you're like me, you just installed the anime race mod and you ran out of spawn, you got the Pip-Boy, you unequipped your armor, and you were met with the most grotesque sight you'd ever seen. Japanese censorship that looked like something straight out of Mario 64. I'm going to show you how to get your body slide to work properly and how to get past this censorship and how to continuously update your slide and keep adding the changes to the anime race. So what you want to do is you want to create a new folder named Meshes, make it with a capital. Inside Meshes you want to make a new folder that's lowercase called Nana Race, and it's just N-A-N-A-R-A-C-E. Inside that you want to make a new folder called Body, which is lowercase, and you're done with that. Now what you want to do is you want to get to your Fallout 4 directory. So this is, if you have this on Steam, which you should, is in local disk, program files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Fallout 4, data. Then you want to go into meshes. Then you want to go into actors. Then you want to go into character. Then you want to go into character assets. This file right here is your body slide file, the file that CBBE generates whenever it generates your slide. You want to copy this and you want to paste this on the desktop or wherever you have your meshes folder. So now we have these two files. Open up meshes, open up Nana Race, open up body, and then drag this into the body folder. Go ahead and close that. Now you want to create a new zipped folder. We're going to name this Anime Race CBBE. We're going to drag our meshes folder into there. Now we can delete this meshes file here because we have this zipped folder. Now what you want to do is you want to open up Nexus or Vortex. And you want to add a new mod from a file. Go to your desktop, go ahead and grab Anime Race, the file that you just made. Mine, I named Anime Race CBBE. Go ahead and open that. That should add this here. We can go ahead and delete this now because we have a copy of it in Nexus or Vortex. And then go ahead and enable this mod. And that ought to do it. So, after doing that, if you had launched your game, you would have found that the textures were all messed up. So, yeah, that's a problem. So, now I'll show you what to do to fix the textures problem. So, what you want to do is you want to head over to the mod Anime Race. You want to go ahead and go to the description and go to the requirements. Right here, you're going to find this mod requiring this file. The needed or it's pointless mod. You want to head over to this mod right here. You want to go ahead and download this. And once you've done that, then you should be good to go. That should be everything that you need. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and I hope you have a nice day. Oh, by the way, if you want to update your slide, you're going to have to, every time you build your slide in CBBE, you're going to have to redo all the steps in this video, creating that new folder and everything, to add your new slide. Or, what you can do is, you can go ahead and drop into your mods folder. I don't know where Vortex stores theirs, but Nexus stores it in local disk and in games. And then you can go into your mods folder here, and you can go ahead and grab the file that you made here, and you can go ahead and drag your new slide directly into here and overwrite this one. And then what you need to do is you need to run Vortex or Nexus. And then you need to, first of all, uninstall the mod from the active profile, but not delete it from your computer. Vortex can get kind of weird when you're doing this, but on Nexus it's really easy. You just wanna uninstall it from the active profile or disable the mod. Not like this, but like I think on Vortex disabling actually does this same thing, but I'm not so sure about that. Anyways, and then you want to re-enable the mod, and then your new slide should be working. If it doesn't, then just create the new file, do the whole thing over again. Delete this, and then put the new one in there. So, yeah, hope this helps, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.